The Minister of Health, Professor Oyebuchi Chukwu, says that of the 2 cases of Ebola virus disease confirmed last Friday, 1 turned out to be negative. He reveals that this came about as a result of an additional confirmatory test, which was carried out on the case, and the patient has since been released. The minister also adds that one of the older patients currently in the isolation center, who has undergone rigorous treatment, has tested negative and may be released soon. Health workers in the nation remain on the alert in the containment of the Ebola virus disease. Not even lawyers who are currently attending the NBA conference in Owerri are spared from screening. All of them, about 10,000 participants, had to go through it before being admitted to the venue. The Commissioner for Justice and Attorney General of the state, Mr. Chukwu, says this is to show that Imo State is serious about preventing the disease from getting into the state.
Before you are leaving, your temperature has to be checked. And if your temperature is such that gives room for suspicion of being infected with Ebola, certainly you are going to be turned back. That's one. I'm aware not all of them will come through the airport. So what is the next order measure? The next order measure is at the entrance to the ICC, it will be cordoned off. There will be no entry of vehicles except certified essential vehicles.
Traders at the popular Monday market in Kakuri area of Kaduna State are crying foul over a notice they say they received from the state government to quit selling bushmeat.
Because they want to make we die with hungry. What's our children? Why? Are we not Nigeria?
They say their game, which they have traded in for years, some of which have water as a natural habitat, cannot be infected with Ebola. In Ilorin, the Kwara State capital, a former Minister of Health, Professor Eyitayo Lambo, commends the federal and state governments for their response to the Ebola threat in areas of screening, sensitization, and treatment.
When I came back, from the airport in Abuja, that was Wednesday last week, and I saw what my former officials, the port health people, what they were doing, screening and so on. I felt very happy.
Like many others, Professor Lambo also agrees that the allocation of money by the federal government to fight the disease is a demonstration of its commitment to end the scourge. Mary Alale Yusuf, Channels Television.